Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. It's Tuesday, March 30th, 5:42 p.m. Looking at the blockchain stocks on the weekly chart. That means each candle represents a week. Since it's Tuesday, the current candle is not complete yet. This is a short week. Friday is a holiday, so the market's closed. So this week's candle will only represent 4 trading days. And it might get even lighter come Thursday afternoon. Maybe the traders won't come back Thursday afternoon as many. So you may see even lighter trading, but maybe more whipsaw. We're looking at a year-to-date chart. Again, each candle is a week, but year-to-date. Here's the all-time high for the year, the yellow horizontal line. We've traded below that and close to the all-time low. But the past week, we took out that low here. So now the trend is down even further, lower low. And notice this was a small trading range. Yep. These higher time frames, you can manage them, or you can look at them and see the perspective that there's not much of a trend. It's mostly consolidation. On a faster time frame, intraday, some of these may be credible for trading, for day trading. But for investing right now, this sector of blockchain stocks is not leadership. And then I will show you that now. Maybe a few of the stocks might be, but you determine that when I show you and compare you what leadership is. We're gonna put physical Bitcoin up here. Year to date, Bitcoin. We are much closer to the all-time high, and the momentum, the trend has been up. That's leadership. Consolidation here, broke out to the upside, created a new consolidation, broke out to the upside, and making a new consolidation. So staircase pattern, up, momentum up. Strong like bull. Here, Bravo Tango Charlie Foxtrot, not so. Just in a big consolidation, and the trend has been lower. So Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, the digital currency, has been going higher, but these cryptocurrency stocks, not so many of them. Again, look at the current candle and identify, did we take out the high of last week or the low of last week? Yeah, it's the end of the trading day of Tuesday. And we already saw this and the prior one took out the low of last week. That's not good. Unless you're short. What does short mean? It means you're bearish. You think price is going to decline and you can short stocks. You need a broker that will approve you with margin. Your account has to be approved for margin. And then what you're actually doing, instead of buying a stock, because when you buy stock, that's called a long position. You would do what's called selling stock, and that's called a short position. Short position when you're selling the underlying. You could be selling in the futures market, the underlying, the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market, stock market. When you're selling, that's typically a bearish mindset that you're looking for prices to decline. It's not necessarily the same in the options. It works different in the options. Again, the equity market. If you buy stock, the term is called long a position. And if you're selling stock because you think price is going to be going down, you're shorting the stock, you're bearish. Here's the next one. Bravo Lima Kilo Charlie Foxtrot. It's in a consolidation. Yep. We also took out the low of last week, but came back. Again, that's bearish. Bravo Tango, Bravo Tango. This is a yellow candle on my software that I programmed. This trading platform is called Thinkorswim, also abbreviated as TOSS. The company that owns them now, Charles Schwab, or maybe it's still being called TD Ameritrade. Inside candle means a high and low did not go above or below the prior candle. That means indecision. Be interesting to see what's going to happen here at the end of the week. If it stays like this, then there's a trade opportunity for a trigger come the new week. Bravo Tango Charlie Sierra, also inside candle indecision, and the momentum has been down. You see staircase pattern lower low. So if you've been shorting these, like many, you're doing very well. Bravo Tango Sierra Charlie, also inside candle indecision. Charlie Romeo Charlie Whiskey, momentum's down and inside candle. Delta Papa Whiskey, very popular stock here. DPW, very popular. And the momentum has been down, much closer to the all-time low. Also broke the low of last week. Not good. Delta Sierra Sierra. Wow, took out the low big time of last week. Yep. And the momentum's down. Let's go on to looking at some more. Foxtrot Tango, Foxtrot Tango. Interesting. It's green. It took out the high of last week and trading near the high of last week right now. So still in a consolidation, still below the high of the year. But that might be opportunity. If you're bullish, to buy here. And if the trend continues going upside, that's good. And you can put the stop at the low of this week or the low of last week. That's good money management. Or maybe you put the low what was Monday. You open this up to a daily time frame. Yep, let's do that. Since today's Tuesday, that's Monday, consider putting your stop below there. Or if you buy it tomorrow, put your stop below here. And as long as it continues making higher highs every day after the market closes, move your stop up so you'll be locking in the gains. That was a trade idea. Golf Bravo Tango Charlie, inside candle indecision. Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey, inside candle indecision, struggling there. Lima Bravo Charlie Charlie, huge move up this week. Already took out the high of last week. Strong momentum to the upside with sellers up here. Yep. Wow, another one. Mike Alpha Romeo Alpha also took out the high of last week. Trade idea if you're bullish. Go long. Put your stop below the low of this week or the low of last week on the weekly chart, or go to the intraday time frame, or sorry, the daily time frame. Look at that big move up. Big move up. So again, if you're going to buy tomorrow, consider putting your stop below here. And then as the momentum goes up, you're doing good. And if it takes out that stop, you're back in cash. You're not staying a loser. Don't marry a bad position. This could be a supply zone where sellers were. See what happens. Mike Golf Tango India, also inside candle indecision. Mike Sierra Tango Romeo, inside candle indecision. Again, it's bearish. November Echo Tango Echo. They already took out the low of last week. Not good. Momentum's down. Romeo India Oscar Tango Riot. Very popular stock. And inside candle indecision. It's bearish. It's struggling. Let's go on to the next. Sierra, India, inside candle indecision. Yep, it's a lot of chop. It's not trending, it's just a momentum and exhalation. Sierra, Oscar, Sierra. Took out the low of last week. Momentum's down. That's not good. Nope. The momentum's down. Excuse me. Sierra, Romeo, Alpha, X-ray. Wow. Look at that. Mixed singles. Took out the low of last week. And then now trading back above the body there. Mixed singles. Yep. If you're bullish, there's a trade right here, right now. You can put the stop at the low of here. Buy tomorrow. I'll go the faster time frame. But again, it hasn't taken out the high of this. Yeah, mixed singles. On the faster time frame, the daily time frame, if we take out the high of today, which is here at 506, so tomorrow it takes out the high. If it trades 1 penny above that, consider buying it and put your stop right down here, the low of this day. And then see what happens each day. If it's making higher highs, higher lows, move your stop up. Good money management. And this has been a supply zone where sellers were before. So maybe make a quick 10, 20, 30 cents to the upside. X-ray, November, Echo, Tango. Yep, not good. Took out the low of last week. The momentum's down. There you go. Most of these are not leadership. Most of these are struggling. So again, the takeaway was the cryptocurrency of Bitcoin is stronger than all these blockchain stocks I just showed you. So you can be buying that, investing in that on the long side and shorting these other stocks if that's your bearish opinion or bullish opinion. Again, most of these stocks are good for day trading, intraday, not hold and buy and hold overnights. The liquidities are very low. Probably the trading range between the bid and ask might be wide. Yep. But for investing purposes, they are not in a momentum like Bitcoin. So bad choice. Leave it here. Looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Will we take out the high before the end of the week? Yep. That's the high right there. Well, we can see what's happened here. That pullback was very weak, very weak. So there's more pressure likely to go further up before the next pullback comes. So maybe we'll have a huge trading range, something like this, or something like this on the upside. And again, another consolidation sideways and a rollover. So it's a good trading product, but for not necessarily investing long term. Because when it falls like a knife. Okay, I'm going to end there.